I mean, they talk to. I mean?
Now you.
Oh, okay. Hey, my people. Oh, I know how they be now. We don't come again as we come every Saturday on top Wazobia television. And I know how it be. This na I, the red. This na the only boss we get 4 steering and 4 drivers. Me na the #1 driver here, and I get my fellow drivers where all of us they drive to the same destination so that your Saturday we they go sailing where. My name na Elenu, and the man way close to me. Now the man who they call Fred, aka MC Shaggy.
Why I say?
He does start. He does start. Every 3rd Saturday of the month, now they do this thing.
Yeah, one.
And of course, it is close to him, the total one of Nigerian comedy, aka I Just Marry.
Honestly spoken, we are here again to make your weekend ororomishos.
That is the words of my brother Patrick Obayabo. And of course, last but not the least, now be the fine boy of this house. Also, one of the big drivers. Where you, Monica, know they talk from my ear. They try to introduce somebody. Thank you. Now my producer be that. You know they talk from my ear. They talk from my ear. What's wrong with you? You say do something well. Of course, that be MC Shakara, aka the 5-star comedy general.
Very well, welcome. A body which a man chose does not heavy him.
That's the voice of the elders.
Man go marry fat wife and he go still fit carry am wrong. So because I choose him, came out and Mr. Agwario.
Shakara, you should say never is some disease.
We don't lie in age, by attitude don't know age.
No. Until you contest for election first before we know age. Nothing now when people don't vote for this country, now they go contest for election.
I just practice old age. So that when I reach, you know go hard me.
You dey young, you dey practice old age. When you come old now, you go to practice young age.
Nah, say when Shakara time get now.
I beg, no remind me of what
Hey, our deepest condolences to all Arsenal fans.
On Tuesday, they punish
we are going for the return leg. After the return leg.
For the beating they gave to them on
Tuesday.
That very, very beautiful
Tuesday evening.
Now Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday, okay. Now
Wednesday evening.
Now back a beat Man City.
3-1, I've been at 2-1.
3-1.
Better Tiri.
3-1. My condolences to Shakara and all Arsenal fans out there.
That's like a Shakara mood this summer.
I've been Arsenal fan before, but after that match, I don't change now.
One second silence.
Support A1 National. Of course, the first matter with there, you know, say for I, the red. Here now the only place where I say where you see news for paper, you see for TV, you hear for radio, or you work out they do a procopa saying now waiting they happen with this for Nigeria. Now here we would bring a contact the way the thing go take totori for body, and you, Belle. You Belle, okay.
And your Belle go sweet.
Vision not wrong. You Belle go sweet. And don't forget, say if you get matters that we be like say it do you somehow, you want more talk am the way you go take sweet for body. Just send and give us for I the red at wazobiatv.tv or send and come give us for Twitter at I the red. Now the first matter be say conductor and woman begin drag for inside bus. What is the cause? Let us take a look at the video to know what happened.
Okay,
so then we can know what to say. This is the eyewitness video report.
Bring the change. The money is here. How much do you want to pay? 70 naira. And I have 50. I said, okay. In fact, from what they call it, almost gate. I said, I don't have change. I have 1,000.
What does that mean? Don't
you let me calm down.
You come on, change. I don't want to.
You have told me to calm down. You said I should enter to have change. Oh, yeah, then give me change.
I don't collect that, so I'll collect this one.
Oh, yeah, then give me change.
I can't give you money. Don't give us change. Bring out the change. You love this one here. Do you think you are playing with this money? Don't ever play with it.
I beg, I'm not doing like this for me.
Bring her back. I'm not here. Look, someone want to do what you want to do. Enter your level together.
You know, say, the greatest problem where you Baba gets the way knows how to speak English. Now, when you use English, doctor. What did I get out of? I told you I have 1,000. I entered from the gate. And do you think I'm a smallie? Yeah.
What's that?
This change, I just say no Buhari they find change. I don't know say everybody need change, man.
Hey, well,
Even that young girl needed a change.
I tell you, now conductor na any change pass. Funny enough, the conductor get bigger you. The money they get up in at 17 naira. The guy want 1,000 or 15 naira. So the guy say, okay, man, give 15 naira, may leave 20 naira, so you don't get change. That 1,000 you want take. I want to give a change now. Come
You don't go get. So we all need change.
Only that 20 naira.
At all. So we all need change.
This 20 naira.
I just imagine now. You know say if you look that enter bus now, you take conductor say, no, I don't want change. Just continue. Continue to go. Just
Continue with your power.
Continue with your power.
Continue with your transformation.
Okay, now make it be like say now only conductor and woman where they quarrel over change. But man, don't forget say we will pledge peace always. Peaceful 2015 election. Peace. No follow them quarrel, no follow them fight, no focus any katakata for Nigeria. Make Nigeria for the sweet. They go all of us for body.
And as they talk, if you see whether they fight, the best you can do is to go one side.
Go one side.
Peace.
Because all of us need peace.
If you use peace,
next thing, the next one with the grand and Shaggy. I want to tell us what did happen.
But we see the video now.
Everybody bring the video.
By the video we shall know.
By the video we shall know the action.
Yes.
But I don't want to talk with you.
Everything you have said is back to
It's your person.
see you doing like saying they're doing incantation. Doctor.
So we have like say,
Numa summarize the whole things. Everything they tell me so is your portion.
Numa tire. I tire for the course now. Everything on your head.
In those days where they enter bus, no kind of quarry one no see, especially from that Ojota to Joelegba. Quarry, you see some people as they quarry with you, person raise armpit all of the you don't even know which one to defend.
Now body odor, I'm not saying the discipline people inside bus. If you get body odor inside bus,
two things are discipline, body odor and mess.
Yes. Go just if you get body odor.
Oh
Okay, wait, go 2 times like this. You go there inside bus. If you release one, the person went in here, you go to look you. Say come on, one, go look you. You know if you be here and say space there front.
Okay, we're going to the first topic of today where we say that one they come from the stables of MC Shakara.
You know, say in those days, everybody learn English. Everybody want impress with English.
Yes.
Now make you go see boy and girl they swim. You go see the boy because they tell the girl say, baby, can I teach you how to swim? Just to learn English.
That's what happened to that conductor and that girl.
But now,
you think I'm a smalling?
But you know the funny thing now, be say the table don't turn around. People now want to learn pidgin English. Now I can't even imagine say let's say for our schools now, we can't get pidgin English teacher. They say, welcome bros. How na day? Yeah, bring out on our notebook. Make we start today lesson.
And the same school. For the same school. Teacher, that teacher could come out. English teacher will come. So hello kids.
So I can't get one show I go last year where Wyclef come Nigeria. I can't say Bobby they teach Wyclef pidgin. I bring the video. More can see him.
Nigeria, is a pleasure to be with you tonight. I go by the name of Wyclef Jean. I have to take some English pidgin lessons. So, first thing I need you to do is teach me some pidgin English, you know?
You want to learn pidgin English?
Yeah.
All right, it's not hard. You know, the pidgin English I speak is unadulterated. It's the Warri Pidgin English, okay? So just say anything I say, all right? Start with area.
Area.
You see the response. How far now?
How far now?
What did they happen? Waiting they happen.
Waiting they happen.
Now me and my ogak pata na stand here so. Just say now me and my ogak pata na stand here so. Now me and my ogak pata na stand here so.
And me back batak karina so.
You are not saying it well. See, oga means boy. Pata means humble. So you understand? That's I'm your. You understand? I'm your boy. Just say it well. Now me and my oga pata na stand here so.
Now me
And my oga
and my oga.
pata.
Nigga, you telling me to call you the motherfucking boss?
Worse.
Nice one. You see, I say they easy to
You
them.
get that position, if they hear, Oga, please, Oga, the talk.
I don't remember.
Oga. Cool. When I land for airport, those boys were saying, Oga. That means boss. Nigga, you want me to call you the boss? I know that one.
But seriously, Pidgin is very easy to learn. For Wyclef, under many minutes for that to grab.
Like what Shakara
Boy,
talk
seriously.
about, man. You go there good sometimes when they use Pidgin, they teach for class. Because everybody feel they express their mind that time.
But people go make you laugh past now Ibadan children. You don't say Ibadan children.
But I know.
Upside down.
Oh my God!
I know
I go Shakara, you go talk this,
I know
talk
school
so. Shaki, don't let this finish on my
I
mouth.
know school for Ijebu, they will say they use Yoruba teach.
Yeah,
No,
Yoruba,
I don't see school
already.
because like say even English now Yoruba they take the teach children.
Oh, that reminds me of one Yoruba boy. But does wait, man, this still let me forget. I will fight you now. Oh, this guy just come from Ibadan for area. So he go do what anyhow. My younger brother call Bitasha. And a big boy, I call and say, man, no, you. And the guy say, no, me now. My brother call his bitch, tell her, I go beat you, eh? That guy say, boost me now. We laugh that you say, boost me, ke. And I say they move the body,
Of course, my people, I know like this will they do for on top of the matter. The red bus, we will say 4 drivers they for inside one bus with 4 steering.
Yes.
And to tell you before,
place.
if you get any story, anything where you want more to talk, just send and give us for the red at wazobiatv.tv. That's our email. Then if you also send and give us for Twitter, we'll be at the red. Hashtag
the red.
the red. all the same thing. Yes. We all need peace. Let us go at peace. We is coming back.
Yeah.
And we need it.